critical design specifications are integrated here. Let's review the manufacturing requirements.
Simulating the assembly now. The system efficiency is optimal.
These material properties exceed the critical design specifications.
And the sustainability metrics are fully integrated into the life cycle assessment. The stress test simulation shows the new alloy performing within acceptable parameters.
Yes, the Six Sigma analysis can...
These are the revised specs for the alloy.
And the thermal performance under load, we need to ensure it meets the new manufacturing requirements.
We monitor the lifecycle data as the cobot integrates the assembly.
And with the Industry 4.0 rollout, we're seeing optimal performance achieved. The material properties are within the revised global standards. The tensile strength meets all performance parameters.
We need to adjust the material properties here to meet the performance parameters.
Agreed. The tensile strength is critical for this component's design specification.
The dimensional tolerances on the titanium alloy are
Within specification. Confirmed.
the CMM data aligns with the
All quality standards met, CMM confirms the specs.
Excellent. The manufacturing readiness is confirmed. Let's approve the batch.
Precision tooling calibration operations demonstrating real-time monitoring capabilities with attention to dimensional tolerances and quality standards.
All material specifications confirmed. Tolerances are within range.
Excellent. We are ready for production.
Meticulous preparation ensures we meet the material specifications. Pay close attention to the dimensional tolerances shown here before the production cycle begins.
Dimensional tolerance exceeds the specified limit on the primary axis. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence.
Acknowledged. Adjusting scan parameters now.
Dimensional tolerances are precise. The automated checkpoint confirms all material specifications.
Phase 3 analysis complete.
Authorize manufacturing readiness. Highly trained female Hispanic technicians and sophisticated automated systems utilize computerized quality testing. Primary manufacturing sequence showing highly trained East Asian female technicians and sophisticated automated systems seamlessly integrated.
The automated system has completed the calibration cycle.
Verified. Dimensional accuracy is optimal. We can proceed to the next stage.
Check the thermal resistance data on screen 3.
Looks consistent with the structural analysis. All parameters are optimal.
lightweights. Our highly trained technicians utilize high-speed production equipment, implementing advanced quality assurance systems to
Pressure at maximum tonnage. All parameters remain within the 6 sigma threshold.
Dimensional accuracy confirmed. Surface finish is flawless.
The structural integrity scan shows a perfect pass.
Excellent. That confirms the dimensional accuracy on this batch.
Real-time monitoring confirms exceptional dimensional accuracy.
And the surface finish quality is superb. We are good to go.
The dimensional accuracy on batch 333.59 is in 7 levels.
Confirmed.
Functional verification shows green across the board.
Excellent. System reliability is confirmed. Ticking. Critical subsystem integration phase, meticulously installing thermal management cooling systems with comprehensive
The functional verification is complete. Optimal performance across all metrics.
Flawless integration.
Critical subsystem integration phase, meticulously installing emission control exhaust systems, exhibiting sophisticated Industry 4.0.
3330. Critical subsystem integration phase, meticulously installing adaptive suspension control components with comprehensive interface compatibility tests.
The integration is complete. All fail-safes are active.
And the predictive analysis confirms optimal performance across the life cycle.
Critical subsystem integration phase, meticulously installing user interface control modules.
We are visualizing critical cybersecurity phase, integration phase, meticulously installing integration phase.
Critical subsystem integration phase, meticulously installing programmable electronic control units, demonstrating sophisticated precision engineering methodologies with comprehensive interface compatibility testing.
The lifecycle projections look solid, well within tolerance.
Agreed. The cost analysis confirms efficiency.
Advanced testing facility conducting multi-point quality inspection procedures.
The localized stress fracture confirms the simulation data.
Agreed. We need to reinforce the casing before we can clear it for deployment.
All data acquisition is complete and verified.
Excellent work. Let's sign off for full production.
All validation procedures are complete. The data strongly supports full production release.
Agreed. Authorized for commercial deployment.
The statistical analysis confirms optimal performance across the operational lifecycle.
Excellent. The data supports full production. Advanced testing facility conducting continuous production quality auditing, utilizing data-driven decision-making with sophisticated instrumentation systems.
Comprehensive operational support phase, implementing advanced predictive analytics tracking, utilizing quality assurance systems.
The optimized service planning protocols are active.
Good. Resource allocation is stable across all modules. Comprehensive operational support phase, implementing structured troubleshooting resolution protocols, utilizing lean manufacturing principles with extensively trained personnel.
Comprehensive operational support phase, implementing efficient spare parts inventory management, utilizing
The comprehensive warranty administration systems are fully integrated here.
And the predictive analytics confirm maximum operational availability.
Through advanced digital platforms, we ensure manufacturing excellence and continuous quality improvement, maximizing product longevity. Comprehensive operational support phase, implementing dedicated customer support operation centers, utilizing digital transformation initiatives with extensively trained personnel. We utilize integrated fleet management tracking systems for supply chain optimization. Our comprehensive operational support phase, implementing AI-powered predictive maintenance algorithms, utilizing predictive maintenance systems with extensively trained personnel.
We're maximizing product longevity, utilizing the new condition-based monitoring systems.
The real-time analytics support the innovation phase.
The integrated analytics show optimal performance. Remote diagnostics confirmed. Copy that.
Predictive maintenance is clear for Q.
The predictive maintenance models look solid. We're maximizing longevity.
Confirmed. All systems are fully compliant with international standards.
The new optimization algorithm is showing significant gains in processing speed.
It stabilizes the neural pathways perfectly. This is a breakthrough.
The data stream confirms full autonomy on the drone.
Excellent. Let's initiate the humanoid sequence and monitor stability.
The energy density readings are fluctuating at peak output.
We can compensate by adjusting the cooling sequence during the cycle test.
The strength-to-weight ratio exceeds our projections.
And the sustainable sourcing report is completely green.
This positions us perfect.
The latency on the 5G network is virtually non-existent now.
The integration with the new IoT sensors is still
The data confirms exceptional quality throughout the operational lifecycle.
Absolutely. This solid-state design is ready for the next phase.
The energy output is stabilizing right at the projected threshold.
Yes, the catalytic converters are performing optimally under pressure.
We need to verify the structural integrity of this lattice design.
The simulation shows a minimal stress, but
We've integrated the industrial engineering data directly into the augmented schematic.
It's dramatically improving our manufacturing excellence metrics. Based on the ERP analytics, we can optimize the supply chain.
This enhances brand value and ensures our competitive advantage in the global markets.
The integration of our ERP analytics and sustainability reporting is clearly working.
Absolutely, we're seeing significant...
The predictive models confirm sustained competitive advantages. The key is integrating the market intelligence with the ERP analytics for proactive compliance. The Q3 licensing agreements show significant traction in the APAC market. We need to leverage the ERP analytics for resource allocation.
We've successfully optimized the critical lanes. Look at the shift in market performance.
Exceptional quality across the board, Director.
The ERP analytics show a clear path to significant cost reduction across the supply chain.
Excellent. Ensure we meet all international regulations.
The Q3 market positioning data is clear. We need to leverage the ERP analytics immediately.